Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create Venn diagram in MS Word and PowerPoint. And guys, to add or remove circle and text using Venn diagram template. So follow these steps. Open Microsoft Word. Now click on Insert and here click on this Smart Art. Then click on Relations. Here you will find different type of diagram. It's basic Venn. So select it, this basic Venn diagram, then click on OK. Now guys, you can increase and adjust the size for this diagram. Once you double click on it and once you click on this text pane, here you can make more changes. You can increase diagram, just press enter like this. Also you can remove by pressing backspace. To insert the text, type your text here. To make stylish, double click and this smart art design. Here you can select any color. Here are more styles. For 3D and if you want to insert a text box here, so same insert, then text box. Now draw your text box. Select this simple one. So right click on it and wrap text and in front of text. Select it. Now make it proper size. Now type here your text. Then double click on it and shape outline. So select no outline and shape fill, select no fill. And you can make proper size and color. Now drag and drop, control select. Same, you can control paste. So control C and control V. And edit your text. In the same process, guys, you can create a diagram in PowerPoint. Our PowerPoint. Now here, insert and smart art relations and select here diagram. This basic one and click on OK. And same, you add your text. Same you can Once you select this complete diagram, so in the Smart Art Design, you can change color, style, and you make more changes as you know before. Make sure anything above marked with a red X will not appear in this Smart Art graphic and will not be saved. So this way you can create. To adjust the size, again click here, remove some diagram. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.